Hey there, want your Samsung Galaxy home screen to look more stylish and coordinated? Samsung's color palette feature can automatically adjust supported app icons to match your wallpaper colors, creating a clean, modern, and personalized appearance in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down until you find Wallpaper and Style, then tap to open it. Inside this menu, select Color Palette. You will see a switch that allows you to enable the color palette feature. Turn the switch on to continue. Once enabled, Samsung will display several color schemes that are generated from your current wallpaper. These colors are carefully selected to match the dominant shades in your background image, helping create a unified appearance across the device. If you prefer something different, you can also choose from the Basic Colors section, which offers solid color options. After selecting your preferred color scheme, look for the option labeled Apply Palette to App Icons. Enable this toggle to allow supported application icons to adopt the selected color palette. Finally, tap Apply to save your changes and update your device's appearance. Within a few moments, you should notice that many Samsung apps, including phone, messages, settings, and other native applications, have changed their icon colors to match the chosen palette. This gives your home screen a cleaner and more modern look without requiring any third party launcher or customization app.